Hi, in front of me is Umidigi S3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu and find clock, then tap on it. Click on alarm at the top left corner and tap on the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour and choose AM or PM by tapping on one of the options. When you're done, click OK. Now tap on repeat and select days of the week. After that, you can tap on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and click on label. Over here, label your alarm however you want to, and when you're done, tap OK. Now you can click on this bell icon and select one of these melodies as your alarm sound. You can even tap on add new and add your own song as alarm sound. When you're done, just go back. In order to save your alarm, tap on this icon at the bottom left right corner. And now, as you can see, my alarm was successfully made and saved. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!